I want to show you something a little bit different today, because this property is all about vision. But what makes this property exciting is what it can become. Now imagine this space fully transformed. Large open living area, a warm modern finish, soft lighting, natural textures and clean neutral tones. Suddenly this doesn't feel like an old house anymore. It starts to feel like a boutique Caribbean villa. Now let's talk about the kitchen. This is one of the places to completely change the feel of the house. Fresh cabinet paint, updated hardware, modern countertops, better lighting, new appliances, and then you have a new kitchen. Suddenly, this entire space feels clean, bright, and modern, without needing to completely rebuild everything. Then you move into the bedrooms, and this is where the warmth of the house really starts to come through. The ceilings continue throughout the rooms, which makes the spaces feel larger and more inviting. With the right furniture, the soft tones, warm woods, textured fabrics, and simple styling, these rooms could feel like something straight out of a vacation rental or modern island resort. And then the bathroom. This is probably one of the biggest transformation opportunities in the home, because once you modernise the tiles, add warm lighting, cleaner finishes, updated fixtures and a walk-in shower, the entire feeling changes instantly. Now here's the important part. Properties like this are where real value is created. Because you're not paying for someone else's expensive renovation choices, you get to create the style yourself, you get to increase the value yourself, and when it's done properly, the difference is dramatic. What was once a dated property suddenly becomes warm, modern, inviting, and highly marketable. This could become an amazing primary home, a beautiful rental property, or even a high-performing Airbnb style investment. And the best part is, you can already see the vision. Because once you strip away what is there today, you start realizing what it could look like tomorrow. Seriously, that is where the opportunity is.